Welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the forward, please help me subscribe to my channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have a new video, you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2018 Ford F250 6.2 engine liter. So right now, the airbag lights is on, and I'm gonna show you the code. Now the airbag light code is for the clock spring. There you go, that's the code, B0001-13. That's the code for the clock spring in here. Now, before you start working on any kind of airbag, you're gonna disconnect the negative terminal on the battery. Now, to get the clock spring out, you're gonna take out the steering wheel airbag. So I use one of my long Torx head here. You can use a long flat head or something. Put it in here, and then you're gonna feel for like there's a stick that's coming down straight down like this, and then you're gonna feel for the little spring. Let me see if there you go. Now you can see I'm pushing the spring in, and at the same time you're gonna pull, watch, I'm gonna pull the airbag out, so that way, there you go, you can see it popped out on this side. And then on this side it's the same thing. You're gonna put the you're gonna feel the spring. So once you put them in straight in like that, you're gonna feel the little stick. It's kind of springy, going back and forth like this. And then at the same time, pull. There you go, it popped out. I'll take the thing out. There you go. Now let me show you a better view on here. You can see, so this is where the hole you're putting through, and you're gonna see, you see that little stick right there on right here, which is this stick right here. And then you're gonna feel for this, push in, and then you're gonna pull the airbag at the same time. Same thing for this side. Now you can see this stick right here. That's what you're gonna feel for. And then once you push the pin in and pull the airbag out at the same time, and then you're gonna disconnect the connector right here. And then for the airbag, I'm gonna shove my flathead in here, pry the lock up. There you go. There you go. And then for this one, it's kind of hard to do with one hand, but there you go. Give you a good look right here. This is what you're gonna push in right there. Same thing on this side. And then for the part number, if you guys wanting, let me see if there's an airbag part number over here. So I'm not sure which one is the part number, either that or this. For the clock spring connector, you're gonna press on this tab right here, pull. And then for the steering wheel bolt, it's a 24mm. Now before you take it out, I put a little bit of white out on the steering wheel and then the bolt, so that way when I put it back, I'm not trying to over tighten it. This one's a 24mm. There you go. And then I'm gonna mark it again with my white out. I'm gonna mark the steering wheel, so that way when I put it back, I know it's straight center. So I'm gonna put one right here. There you go. You can see my two mark with the steering column and the steering wheel. So that way when I put it back, it's center. You know, you don't, if you have it off, you're gonna have to fix the cover. You're gonna take out the 3 5.5mm bolt out, and then for the cover, just pry it out like that. There you go. The clock spring, all the Torx bolt, the little one, this is T5, so there's 4 of them. Took them out already. There you go. And then for the connector here, you're gonna press the tab on this side and then pull down. Make sure to remove it. Unless there's another connector. Clock spring for the bottom, you just have to pull it really hard out right there. That's where it plugs in. And then I have my new one here from Ford original. This is the part number. Now for the new one, it's gonna cost you $160. Looks like this. There you go. Exactly the same. Now careful trying to align the all the pin on the bottom. You don't want to bend the pin here, so make sure you have it correct, and then just snap them in. There you go. It should be good. I tightened down all my Torx bolt already. Doesn't have to be super crazy tight, just as long as you tight them good enough. Don't have to be crazy tight. For the clock spring connector, make sure you guys check the pin in here, make sure it's not damaged or broken or bent. Check the wires in the back, make sure it's not broken, ripped, or damaged. If it's good, just go ahead and plug it back. There you go. And then put the cover back, put the 5mm back. I guess you didn't have to mark it, but I'm just used to what I'm doing. I always mark things when I take them off. You're gonna put it back to where you make the mark. For the lock on the clock spring, all you gotta do is just pull it like that. Plug back your clock spring connector. There you go. And then I'm gonna put back my bolt. Tighten it. A little bit more. There you go. It's perfect. Straight with the mark I made. And then now I'm just gonna reconnect my connector for the airbag and then the horn. I got my horn connector in already. Push the airbag connector in, lock it, make sure it sits all the way down. There you go. And then I'm just gonna slide this back in. There you go. Snap in. And then just reconnect your negative terminal on the battery one more time. And before I clear it, let's see if the airbag light go away. It should go away. There you go. Yep, it went away. And then I'm gonna show you the code again. It's raining like crazy outside. There you go. That's the code for the steering clock spring. I'm gonna clear it. Code clear. There you go. Turn it off, turn it back on. Now I'm gonna check the steering wheel. So make sure it fully turned to the left, fully turned to the right. So this is center right now. I'm gonna fully turn it to the left. There you go. Fully turn to the left. Back to the center. Fully turn to the right. Back to the center. Check my horn. Yes, my horn is working. Wipers working. Signal working. Yes, everything is good. Make sure you check the button. Yep, everything is still working. Yep. Turn it off. Turn it back on again one more time. Make sure that light completely go away. There you go. So that's it. That is it for this video, guys. Just a steering clock spring for the Ford. If you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'm out. Peace.